it's a beautiful world. I like swimming in the sea. I like to go out beyond the white breakers, where a man can still be free, or a woman if you are one. I like swimming in the sea. Oh my, 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 it's a beautiful world.
Yes, you can.
Can I travel quite far and drive to the ocean and stare up at the stars? I like driving in my car.
Exactly what I meant by it. What I meant was it's very heavy. I'm a scientist of sound, mathematically putting it down, and aren't we all standing on the verge of getting it on?
Upon the rails, among the weeds, I had a moment of serenity. I saw you stand in all the green upon the rusting rail, balancing. You were the only answer. My plan spun all around you. 5 years in the wrong, I am assured. My name to you is just another word. And in your bed in Morristown, you had magazines. My name to you is just another word, another word, another word.